Are you a beginner eager to dive into the world of heavy equipment operations? Unlock the doors to success with Interstate Heavy Equipment's specialized guide on how to master heavy equipment operations for beginners. What's in store for you? Number 1. Foundational knowledge. Build a strong base with comprehensive insights into heavy equipment fundamentals. Number 2. Hands-on training. Practice real-world scenarios with step-by-step instructions to enhance your operational skills. Number 3. Safety protocols. Prioritize safety with dedicated modules ensuring you're equipped for secure operations. Number 4. Expert guidance. Benefit from the wisdom of seasoned professionals sharing their industry secrets. Why choose Interstate Heavy Equipment? Our beginner-friendly guide caters to individuals with no prior experience, ensuring a smooth learning curve. Learn from the best in the business, gaining insights that go beyond the basics. Seamlessly access our guide through our user-friendly website, interstateheavyequipment.com. Take the first step toward mastering heavy equipment operations. Dial 469-370-7501 to connect with our experts and kickstart your journey. Visit interstateheavyequipment.com now.